carry this message. Nah, give Gambari. Make Buhari they hear. We they give them just few days. We go rumble the economy of this country. As I wanna. Enough of the insult. Me, I first know say this meeting no get ahead. Because everything about Niger Delta na joke. Everything about SASAT na joke. All the politicians wey be appointees for SASAT supposed to don't come this state. They supposed don't dey here. Since this meeting was planned, all the ministers from SASAT, where dem dey? Are they not supposed to be the first people to come for the stakeholders meeting? Are we not supposed to, as a people, have had discussions? They play politics with SASAT. If SASAT not there, they for appoint them. All of them don't make frame finish. They don't go that side make frame finish. Now 2023 be their problem. 2023 Abi. The black say that see make them know NSAS na play. NSAS na play. Make it happen for this SASAT. It go be. This one don't show now. We be our governor. Say all those play when they play with this bull. More I just carry this message. They go out. That don't play don't end. This laugh one they laugh with presidency don't end. No, now be our problem. If you like, I send letter to you tomorrow. No, not accept my letter. No concern me. I don't talk. They laugh when they laugh with the presidency. Now be our problem. When I go Abuja, if I say the allocation they sweet on. And I go come plan meeting finish for where on our day, on our way in our own side, on our be like strong men. See us on the week. Just the week they give Gambari. Gambari we just take office some few days ago. Just imagine. Someone for a product of struggle. What don't they do? Gambari go just call you. They cancel meeting. A whole governor of Delta State. When in the march, youths of Niger Delta they behind you. Gambari they cancel your meeting when you fix for South. You don't tell us something. Now make the they like us. Because we know if we take the nonsense from them. And if we are not resolve this matter within the next few days, our own answers get another tune. We cannot be taken for granted all the time. See East West Road, they rotting, they go. People they die every day. They send a consultation, they still cancel them. They dash us money when they call 13% innovation that they take. You don't reach after this meeting when no hold like this. We're gonna reject all those offers. Until we and this government sit down like this. Even allocation say money no collect. No. Because we need to inconvenience ourselves to get result. We're gonna not collect anything from them again. We're gonna at least to show, say, when I respect South, we're gonna not pick any call from presidency. At least within the next 24 hours. If they take their phone call, if I say, "Oh, don't sell us out." This meeting is as important as any other meeting in this Nigeria. I know we'll talk again. I play the very foul.